Welcome to this quick demo on setting up the app to lock page or products. To get started, let's enable the theme extension by simply clicking this button. Next, you'll want to hit Save. Go ahead, click Save. Once that's done, let's head back and refresh the page. Now that it's detected and enabled, we can proceed to create a new lock. Let's call this one Lock 1. You have 3 protection options: using a password, requiring the customer to be logged in, or ensuring the customer has specific tags. For this example, we'll go with a password. The other 2 options are there if you need them, but they're optional. You'll see some customization options. These can be added later. So let's just hit Create for now. With that done, click on Manage Protected Resources. Here, you can choose the types of resources to protect, whether it's products, collections, pages, blogs, blog posts, or even customer URLs. Let's focus on protecting products for now. Select the products you wish to protect and click Add. And there you have it. Your lock is now live. To review it, click here. And as you can see, the product is indeed locked. Let's check the other product. It is locked as well. However, note that this one here is unlocked. Great. Now, let's explore customizing our lock pages. Let's navigate back. Click on the Customization and Branding button. This is the default display your users will see, but you can personalize it here. Let's type. Let's change the color to red. You also have the option to add hyperlinks. Consider phrases like "need help" and "contact us." Select these and click the link button to add a hyperlink. I'm adding a sample link just for demonstration purposes. That's it. Now, click Save. Let's also tweak this color for branding purposes. And there we go. Click Save again. All set. Questions? Click the chat bubble in the bottom right corner. We're pretty quick to respond.